Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day in the markets. Welcome back, future billionaires. This is where billionaires come to invest. I'm Crypto Billionaire 69, and today we're doing technical analysis on DOGELON Mars. All right. Yesterday we did some technical analysis, and it was basing around this 12 area, and I said if it breaks this point right here, we're going down. We are going down to the sevens, and that is exactly where we're heading right now. Yeah. So today we're going to be going over when you should look to get in, because right now is not the best buying opportunity. Right now it's very uncertain, and as you can see with everything else is dumping at this moment. So now it would not be a good time because we don't know how far it's dumping. What we're going to want to do is wait for support. Once we see that support, then we wait for confirmation. Once we see the confirmation, then we get in. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I mean. All right, let's pull out our fib. Go to the beginning of this run, back to when it was just mere millicents, because it's still millicents, but it was a lot less millicents back then. All right, look at this. This is the 610 level, okay? Now, if you look at every big crypto, every big meme coin before they absolutely took off, it went down to this level, and it just held for months. All right. So that is what I think we're gonna be doing, because this is the third largest meme coin in the entire market, and I just don't see it completely crashing, especially with how bullish this whole market is right now. There's no way this is not going to crash all the way. This is gonna hold around this area for not even a few months. A few months was in a bearish market. This is going to hold around for a few days to a few weeks. That's my prediction. And this is what we need to see in order to get in. Now, if you're in up here, keep holding. Do not sell for a 60% loss, because you're going to be kicking yourself when it turns around and it goes up 300%. You do not want to sell if you're bought in up here. What you want to do is wait for this confirmation that I'm about to show you. Add more to your position. All right, and if you were smart, you did not put all your bags in up here. You dollar cost averages. You dollar cost averaged in, which means you put 1/4. Yeah, I'll show you. So boom, you come up, holds here. You put 1/4 in. All right, that's confirmation that it held that 318 fib level. Right, boom. Put 1/4 of your bag in. All right. Now, what you'd want to wait for is for it to break up here, like these real bodies of the candle. That's another confirmation. Put 1/4 in. So now you're 50% of your whole position in. Then it goes up 200%, right? Then what you want to do is wait for some. You'd want to wait for it to base up there. Wait for it to retrace. Hold the levels exactly like it's doing here. Put your next 50% in. You never want to go all in on one time, because you're just wishing for disaster, and you are not limiting your risk. You are increasing it. So what we're going to wait for, the confirmation here, is this level. Come down. We're going to wait for it to hit here. Boom. Right? Should base. Once it bases, it'll come back up to here. And then once it comes up to here, there's going to be another sell-off. And in that sell-off is our prime opportunity to buy more, ladies and gentlemen. So look, it's going to come back down to here, base around here, and then that is when we're going to want to buy, all right? If it's holding this level correctly. If it doesn't hold this level correctly, and it continues on a downward trajectory, then yeah, you're screwing yourself if you buy in. So what you're going to want to wait for is for it to start coming back up after it holds that level. And look how it acts in this range right here. I'll show you with the little rectangle. Okay, this range right here was a extreme demand zone on this big green candle. So right here, it should, and this will even be more, it will be earlier than this. It will probably be around this area, November 8th. So keep your eye on that. Right now it's November 4th. We got 4 days of consolidation, and then we should be able to see something. So here we go. We got this candle, right? Now what we're going to want to see is extreme buying here, just like this, right? We're going to want to see a lot of volume coming in. We don't want it trickling down like in this area. We want at least this much right here, because this is what actually causes these big swings, right? That's what we're going to want to see here. And if we see that, that is a extremely bullish sign that this is the level that is going to hold. Then we'll move higher. All right, and that's when you want to get in, is when you see that volume along with it pushing through this area with a big green candle after basing 2 times and then rebounding. That is when you want to get in or add to your position. All right. Yep, that's what's gonna happen with DOGELON Mars. That is my assumption. Yeah. Hope you guys had a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm gonna go outside and enjoy this weather and wait 4 more days for this golden opportunity that we see right here. All right. If you guys want to be future billionaires, hit that subscribe button. I post all the time. And DOGELON Mars, the only DOGELON Mars YouTube channel that is truly going over technical analysis and is not saying, I think this is going to happen, and when it doesn't happen, then I blame something else. I am completely accountable. If it breaks through this area, I was wrong. All right, I was completely wrong, but I just do not see it doing that. I see it bouncing back, coming here, and then just basing like right here, boom, taking off. All right, guys, hit the subscribe button. Have a beautiful day.